This year's Shanghai International Film Festival is blazing with anticipation as there are 11 world premieres in the main competition category. Now, this global reach is all the more evident as stars and industry professionals descend on the red carpet right behind me.
Well, I was here last year, so it wasn't that long time ago, and we love it. Actually, we were planning to come again, and then we knew that our film got selected, so we were really, really happy.
And many are excited not only to present their works, but also to capture the diversity of this melting pot.
If we would do something about China, maybe about diversity, because our film is also a subject of diversity, and I think here are so many mixed people and also mixed cultures, especially in Shanghai. You see every color of the skin, every people, every blue eyes, brown eyes, and different languages, and this is what we like, and also diversity in every other concerns.
Leading the jury of this year's Golden Goblet Awards is Italian director Giuseppe Tornatore, director of Cinema Paradiso, whose surprises here far exceed the film selections.
I've recently discovered that Chinese food has a very deep heritage and tried some delicious Chinese dishes on this trip.
Chinese director Feng Xiaogan, who made a rare appearance, shares his first experience.
This is a realism piece of work. It's actually my first time working with Lei Jiayin in Hugu. It's a great movie.
For others, a moment to divulge the real travail behind the glitz and glamour.
All the diving scenes in the film were real and done by ourselves. I would dive to 10 or 11 meters below the water, shoot the scene, and then return to the surface.
With a dazzling lineup and a mission to connect cultures, SIFF 2025 is set to be a landmark edition. The next 10 days are packed with groundbreaking premieres, hard-hitting discussions, and perhaps many surprises. Julian Waghann, CGTN, Shanghai.